it's me, Farmer Erin, and today we're gonna sing a song about planting seeds. Let's get to it. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. The sun comes out to shine. The sun comes out to shine. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the sun comes out to shine. Now the plants need water. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the rain begins to fall. And now the seeds begin to grow. The seeds begin to grow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the seeds begin to grow. And now the plants are coming. Woohoo! The vegetables are here. The vegetables are here. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the vegetables are here. And now that they're ready, the farmer has to dig them up. The farmer digs them up. The farmer digs them up. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer digs them up. Now, it's time to eat our vegetables, right? Now it's time to eat. Yes, now it's time to eat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, yes, now it's time to eat. Now we're going to practice some movement with our planting the seed song. Let's do it. So when the farmer plants the seeds, we plant our seeds just like this. You ready? The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. Very good. Now the sun comes out to shine, right? Because plants need lots of sunshine. So the sun comes out to shine. The sun comes out to shine. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the sun comes out to shine. Next, the plants need water, right? So the rain's gonna come down. So rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the rain begins to fall. And now because of that light and rain, the seeds begin to grow. The seeds begin to grow. The seeds begin to grow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the seeds begin to grow. So now that the seeds have grown, we have plants, which means we have vegetables to eat. So the vegetables are here. The vegetables are here. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the vegetables are here. And since the vegetables are here, it's time for us to harvest them. So the farmer digs them up. The farmer digs them up. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer digs them up. Do you like these dance moves? Let's do some more. And now, since we have our vegetables out of the garden, it's time to eat them. And now it's time to eat. Yes, now it's time to eat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, yes, now it's time to eat. Yay! Great movement, everyone. You did such a good job. So now that you know all the dance moves, I'm going to play some music and you do the dance moves along with me, okay? Let's get to it. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. The sun comes out to shine. The sun comes out to shine. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the sun comes out to shine. Now the plants need water. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the rain begins to fall. And now the seeds begin to to grow. The seeds begin to grow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the seeds begin to grow. And now the plants are coming! Woohoo! The vegetables are here. The vegetables are here. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the vegetables are here. And now that they're ready, the farmer has to dig them up.